name is Michael, age 7, P2, CC Christopher Columbus. Today we are going to make a meal called nuggets made out of rice. These are the ingredients: eggs, rice, carrots. I don't know what the rest are. All I know is that this is something to include with bread and chicken. First, you can pour the carrots or the chicken, but I prefer the chicken first. And then you pour in the carrots, and then you can mix it. You can mix the rice together with the chicken and carrots. You can make the shape a circle, or an oval, but you can make it any shape you want, as long as it'll work. Oh my god, it's so fun! Guys, you must try this at home. You can make any shape you want. Really, it's so fun, guys. Okay, I'm done making the nuggets circle. Now, the next step is to crack the eggs. Okay, now I'm going to crack the eggs using a spoon. If the crack is not good, so you can enjoy the cooking, guys. Watch until the end, okay guys? Guys, I used 2 eggs, but now it's time to mix them. Like one of those machines, like going very fast. Now we're mixing the nuggets. Now we're mixing the rice nuggets, which flour for chicken, and in a bowl of eggs, and in a bowl of bread leftovers. So first we place a chicken nugget in the flour for chicken. Done mixing it, but I'm not yet done. I'll tell you when I'm done. And then you make sure it's no longer very wet, and then you place it in the eggs. And now place it in the area of the tiny bread pieces. You have to bury it, and then you pull it out. Phew, guys, it's done. Now, we're going to cook it, but it's dangerous, so I'm gonna ask my mom for help. Okay, it's time for cooking, guys. My mom is the one cooking since I cannot cook the rice nuggets. Guys, don't try to cook this by yourself. So if you want to cook it, you have to cook it with your parents. Okay guys, now watch until the end. Don't you guys know the nuggets that people sell are actually bad for your body? But these nuggets are healthy, so you can make them at home. Try it, it will work. Yay, the rice nugget is finished. Now it's time to eat. So yummy. Yum, you can eat this, and it does not take a lot of money. It takes rice, bread, fried chicken, and carrots, and flour chicken, and some teeny tiny bread pieces. and eggs. That's all. Thank you guys for watching my video.